actually assigned the function. So first of all, we all know that print is a function. I am func, for example. Now if we print this, you will see this will get printed. Now can I assign the print function to something else? For example, I have my print as a variable and I'm trying to assign it this function. So function is assigned to a variable. Fine. Now let's see how would it behave. So I have this and I'll say I am function assigned variable and I'll print it, and let's see it is working. So we have literally copied over or assigned the function to a variable in Python, which is pretty awesome. But there is a problem with it. By the way, it would work the same way. Whatever is the contract you see here, this guy will have the exact same contract. You can do formatting and everything, but there is a problem. You can also assign something else to the existing function. For example, if this is print and I can tweak the behavior, let me tell you what I mean by that. For example, if I am assigning a string to this, so now this would start breaking because print is been assigned a string value and then it says string is not callable. So you are trying to call this function kind of this, which is not good. Now what you can do is you can grab another function and assign to the print, and then still it would work. So let's try to do that. I am trying to define name of the function. I can say display, and then what it is going to do is it will take any string, and as soon as it will get the string, it would try to now we I was thinking to print it, right? So can I assign a print to a print indirectly? Yes, we can. So I'll have this print whatever is the string. Now what I'm trying to do is, this is a different function by the way. So the display function is been assigned to print. Whenever I call print, it would call display, which would internally call print, and let's see what will happen. So this is giving us something, some issue, and what is that issue? Is print is been gone there, and then whatever you are passing, I am func on line number 6. Let's see first what the display would do. So if you have display method called with some value, let's comment this thing out and let's see what happens. So this has been printed fine. Now if you're trying to create a alias of print, this is called as alias, previous line repeated recursive. Okay, I let me tell you what happened. So what is happening is print is calling display and display is calling print. So it is iterating, and more than 1,000 time recursion happens. That's where it breaks. So what we might need to do is we can take example of, instead of display, let's take the example of some other functions. So what are the other functions available? For example, equal function, or yeah, let's say equal function. So there is, let's see how many functions we have. So we will do print, we'll do dir, we'll not do this over here, and let's see. So we have all these different functions, right? So what we are going to do is, we were trying to override the print function. Instead of that, we can override some other function, which could be, for example annotation, but these are all private because they have underscore underscore, so it might be difficult to override these functions. But let's give it a try. There is no harm in doing this. So let's try to define this as display. Now we will run this, which is fine, right? Now we will try to do something like this, and this works. So what we have done here is we have tweaked or overridden the behavior of docs. Now docs is working as a print. Let's comment out this. Let's comment out this. So docs function might be something different, but right now we have told or overridden the behavior of docs, and we have assigned it the display, which is internally doing the print. So this was just a simple tweak, wherein what we learned is a variable can be assigned a function value, and a existing function can be assigned another function, and then we can tweak or modify the existing behavior of the function. So thanks for watching. Bye. Leave a comment if you have any questions.